Hi and welcome to a new process video. This is Daniela for HipKitClub and I'm working with the July Hipkits, and today I want to focus on the And Many More bunting sticker set and the 5th and Monaco mixed embellishments, which you can find in the Embellishment Kit. So as you can see, I start my page by applying some color. I mix some Lindy's powders with acrylic paint, and now I just mix a blue powder in so that I have a few color sprinkles here. I have this light green background, and now the acrylic blue color here made with Lindy's powders. And yeah, now I start to create my banner. So these embellishments are pretty cool, and yeah, Pink Paisley had a great idea here, and we can create our own banners using the golden alphabet stickers, and I am going for green and blue tones. So first of all, I want to see how I can arrange them. I don't adhere them yet, but I know that I need 5 because the word crazy will be my title here. So now I can start to fix the banners, and yeah, then afterwards I can just place my alphabet stickers, and then I have my own banner. That's great because you can decide whatever word you want to have, and you can create a girlish style or a boyish style. It's up to you here. Okay, then I have this crazy picture of my son, and that's why I want to have the word crazy here, and I am going to cut it a bit smaller because yeah, it's too big, and then of course I want to have some layers behind the picture as well. So here I'm working with this beautiful paper, and we have blue and green in here, but we only see tiny little bits of it in the end, so the tropical design can't be seen anymore. And now I also want to have another white layer here, and that's my picture then. I also want to use the sequins that we can find in the mixed embellishments, also from Pink Paisley. But first of all, I place my golden alphabet stickers here, and the fun thing is that we have this golden stars in the sequence mix. So yeah, I think that they can be combined perfectly, so I am going to use both of them. All right, so now my color splashes are dry, so I can place my banner here on top of it. And now I'm working with the sequins. I just make another garland here with common sewing yarn, and then I can place it under my paper banners, and yeah, this way we have a kind of shaker element, because yeah, they can be replaced, and then I just fix the yarn on both sides, and yeah, that's my banner. All right, so I think that these embellishments are really fun. They are different somehow, and it's something that you don't use each and every day. And so, yeah, they really create a special touch here, and it's always fun to try something new. And yeah, I think that this is a great idea here for my picture because yeah, it's also a kind of playful style, and yeah, that is just a good match here for my picture. Okay, so I fixed everything, and now I'm going to use all of those golden stars that also come in the And Many More sticker set. And yeah, I just placed them here and there in the middle of the wooden sticks. And then I will also add some more embellishments here and there so that we have lots of going on here in the middle. It's like a star explosion, and now I also add some hearts from the sticker sheet, so you see that I'm really yeah, diving into those embellishments. And I also use some of the wood veneers that come in the mixed embellishments, and wood veneers are a good idea here because we also have the wooden sticks. And now I just add some tiny stickers from the Maggie Holmes sticker book. And this way I have different embellishments and different shapes, some hearts, some stars, butterflies, and yeah, also a little bow. Those are so cute. I love them. Can use them on each and every single project I make. And yeah, I think that I also need a second title, and I'm just going for a hashtag here, and it's OMG. So this is my additional title, and I just place it here in the middle as well. So yeah, they are also, the alphabet stickers are also kind of embellishments here. And yeah, that's my basic composition. I picked boyish colors here, as you can see, so I also pick some phrases from the Maggie Holmes sticker book in green and white. And I think that those are also quite cool because you can just add some impressions or some feelings to your page by the words. And now I also want to have some enamel dots, and this way we have lots of different texture and material, different shapes. So yeah, it's a really fun page all in all. These picture edges are also included in the mixed embellishments, and this way I used all of the different shapes that we get in this package, and yeah, I used up most of the product now, or each shape the product offers. So yeah, it's really a product focus layout this time. All right, so now I'm just adding some handwritten journaling and my date, and then I have a fun layout to go into my album Thanks so much for stopping by today and have fun using your kits. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day and yeah, take care. Bye bye.